y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Rituals USA gift box that I got from Tryazon. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. This is the second box from Rituals or Rituals USA that I've gotten from Tryazon. And if you're not familiar, I will put the URL up here. It's Tryazon, and a lot of what they do is party related. So you throw a get together and you get a box of different things to try out. But every once in a while they do a sample trial, and Rituals was a brand that I was really interested in at the time that they did it. I want to say it was a little bit before Christmas, like maybe Thanksgiving time or October of last year. But I've been hearing about Rituals, and I knew that they were in the, what was it? Oh, Look Fantastic. The Look Fantastic advent calendar that I bought. And I was just really intrigued by this company because they really take like skincare and body care to that self-care level where they say like, let's make a ritual out of this. Let's take the time to really like experience this. And I really appreciate that because we live in a world and certainly a culture where we're always going, we're always busy, we're always doing something. And I know that I'm exactly the same way. Like, I work full time. I am getting ready to take a really big exam that I've been studying for that's very similar to the bar exam, but it's like the social work version of the bar exam. I have my YouTube channel and I create content for my Instagram, which seems like a lot of fun, and it is, but it takes so much time. Like, people just don't realize until you start doing it how much time it actually takes up. And I also have an Instagram for my fitness and health. I have an Instagram for my professional account, and I've just started doing videos, although not weekly, unfortunately, because I just don't have the time. But I've started doing videos for my professional YouTube channel as well. So I am constantly busy, especially when you take into consideration like meal prepping and, shopping, and then the occasional sleep and spending time with my husband and my dogs. So yeah, like, we live in a really, really busy world, and self-care really does involve slowing down and really experiencing, our lives and what's going on around us. So I really appreciate that Rituals, draws that into their gift boxes, which are so awesome. So I'm really excited to unbox this one and see exactly what's inside. I got to choose this one, and I chose the Ritual of the Sakura, and there were two different gifts in this particular scent and Ritual, and then there were two gifts for the other one, and I did get the smaller of the two. And what it says on their website about the Ritual of the Sakura is, and I apologize because I'm probably going to get some of these pronunciations wrong, but the ancient Hanami ceremony from Japan celebrates the fleeting beauty of the Sakura blossom. As with life itself, its beauty is short-lived and precious and should be enjoyed to the fullest. Yeah. So that just gives you like that feeling right away going into it of what this is supposed to evoke in you, like that feeling. It says celebrate each day as a new beginning. So we're going to celebrate a new beginning in 4 steps. And I'm going to unbox before I get to the steps. But I actually went to Rituals website because I wanted to say a little bit about them and their philosophy when I got my other Rituals box, because I did do a, not a video, but a blog post on that, which I will link to below. So Rituals in their About Us on their website says, they're everywhere at any given moment of every single day, waiting to be discovered, eager to share the beauty within them. They are the seemingly meaningless moments we all tend to overlook. Rituals unveils these moments and reminds you to experience them with joy. Whether it's taking a nice long bath or creating a homey atmosphere with the rich scent of Asian incense, Rituals allows you to find happiness in the smallest things. That's just so awesome. Like that, you know, that intention is so perfect. I just love it. So Rituals is a European company. It did start in Amsterdam, and they do have a Rituals USA website and Instagram, which I will have the information about that for y'all. They have a bunch of different fragrances, and they're also really great gifts for men or women. Now this particular Tryazon box is the Mother's Day Tryazon box, and this would be an awesome gift for your mother. I'm keeping this for myself, but I also know that my mom is really picky about scents, so she really has to smell everything before. Like, you can't give her a gift of anything scented. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So it comes with this little thing that tells you what is in the box. So you know, in this box, this is the luxury keepsake box with the 4 renewing bestsellers: the shower foam, the shower scrub, the body cream, and the hand wash. So I'm also really excited to have one that's a different variety than the first Tryazon box. The first one that I got from Rituals was the Ritual of the Tao, and that one came with a shower oil and a shower gel. So it had a lot of shower related things, and I love it. I've been using it, but I was really excited to get some items that I can use out of the shower in this box. So it also comes with this stretchy ribbon wrapped around the box, so it's easy to open. And it has a little gift card. This gift is the first step to creating beautiful memories, and it has a thing that you can fill out and tells the person you're giving it to a little bit about Rituals. This Rituals cares for the planet. Also with this gift box, the inlay is 100% compostable, and the luxury keepsake box is ideal for storing your favorite things. So the inlay, let's go ahead and just look how beautiful this box is. And you can see that it's foiled because it's reflecting off of my lights. But when you open it up, this inlay that's keeping these in place is what it's saying is compostable. So if you compost, if you put stuff out in your yard to decompose and use as fertilizer, that's a little crunchy granola for me. I don't do that. I have a black thumb. I kill like all of the plants. I even killed a cactus. So yeah, not good with the gardening. I don't do that. But if you do, it's compostable. All right, so let's just go ahead and I'm gonna take yay. And we're gonna talk about each one of these, but first I'm gonna smell it because I have not smelled this particular scent. So this is, ooh, not to, the hand wash tried to escape. So this is the Softening Rice Scrub. Oh, that smells really good. Like, it's floral, but it's not like grandma floral. You know, the last thing that you ever want is to smell like an old lady. No offense. Some people probably think I am an old lady, but you know, you never want to have that grandma scent to any of your lotions or perfumes, God forbid. So this says celebrate each day as a new beginning, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom. So you definitely get that floral. I'm sure like with the bright pink box, it definitely doesn't say like give this to a guy, but guys can like cherry blossoms in pink too, so no judgment. And the next item is the Sensational Foaming Shower Gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom scent. So that's what the Sakura is. And this also has no parabens or mineral oil. Is mineral oil something we're supposed to be avoiding? I can't keep up with it. Yikes. I'm just gonna go ahead and, ooh! Oh, I guess I didn't shake it up enough. So it is not, I thought I was just gonna get like a little bit of foam out of it and I've made a mess. All right, I'm gonna have to cut But yeah, I mean, it is a foam. It just came out, I was expecting more of like a little puff, and more came out than I expected. But it does smell really good. And it almost has like, I know it's supposed to be cherry blossom, but there's like a fruity, I guess that's the cherry of the cherry blossom, because there's definitely a fruity undertone to it as well. So I'm gonna grab a towel and I will be right back. All right, so definitely don't try the shower gel, the shower foam when you're not in the shower, but I did wash my hands and clean up a little bit, and now we can talk about some of the other stuff. So the next item is the Magic Touch Body Cream. And then finally, the guy that tried to jump out of the box, the Blossoming Hand Wash. So I'm really excited to try these products out. The thing that I really like about these Rituals boxes, you've got the nice like shiny box there, is just how pretty the packaging is. Like, you know, sometimes things come in a pretty package and you're like, oh, that's pretty, but like, what can I use it for? But it's actually really sturdy. So like, you could use this for jewelry or makeup, or, you know, like photos, or, you know, as a little keepsake box. There's a lot of things that you could use this for, and it's very, very sturdy. So going back to the website to look at the actual ritual that it talks about, in the ritual of the Sakura, it says, celebrate a new beginning in 4 steps. So you cleanse with the shower gel, and it does soothe as it comes into contact with water. Step 2, exfoliate with the body scrub. And it says use this once to twice a week. Nourish with the body cream. And step 4 is the hair and body mist, which I did not get in this particular one. And a little bit more about the cherry blossom that they share on their website. I highly recommend checking out their website if you're interested in any of their products, because it will definitely inspire you to buy something probably for yourself, in addition to whoever you're looking for a gift for. It's okay to get gifts for ourselves, right? So the cherry blossom, it says the fragile blossoms of the Sakura tree, otherwise known as the Japanese cherry, are often described as spring snow by Japanese poets. And if you've ever seen the cherry blossoms, they're so beautiful. I'm gonna pop up a picture here, but I've actually saw a gorgeous tattoo that somebody has of some cherry blossoms. It was just incredible. It's just a very, very beautiful thing. For the Japanese, cherry blossom has symbolized the rebirth of nature and purity since ancient times. The delicate fragrance is wonderfully relaxing. And rice milk is the other thing that is part of this ritual and these products. And it says throughout Asia, rice is a symbol of abundance, happiness, and fertility. Rice milk extract makes your skin soft and supple, and it gives it a healthy glow. So I'm really excited to try these products out, and I'm very thankful to Rituals and Tryazon for choosing me for this opportunity. Like I said before, I love the ritual of the dowel that I got from them, and I actually got another one that I saw at TJ Maxx. The one that I found, it was just a really mini set. It was just a shower oil and a lotion, I believe, was the Ritual of the Happy Buddha. This particular gift set with the 4 items is the Renewing Treat, and it retails for $25. So you can find these Rituals items at rituals.com, as well as stores like Macy's. Ulta carries them on their website. Lord & Taylor, Bell, pretty much any of your high-end department stores carry them at least on their website. I've not seen them in Ulta stores, but I have seen them on Ulta.com. So these gift sets are great. The small ones for $25, like that's just a really sweet kind of thinking of you gift. You don't have to spend a ton of money. The larger sets are $45, which is still not a bad buy for something like Mother's Day or a birthday. And some of the scents and packaging are appropriate for men as well as women. So I highly recommend checking out the Rituals products if you get a chance to. And I will definitely be reporting back on what I think of these products. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll definitely be talking about them on Instagram. I may not make a follow-up video just depending on how much I have to say about them. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.